This is Cyberpunk 2077 running on a 3.3 gigahertz Intel Core i7 5820K with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, an 8 gig NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1080, and the game is actually installed on a fairly slow 1 terabyte notebook drive that I have kind of stashed in the back of the computer, so you might see a few hiccups here and there, but it's actually running pretty good. So I'm not going to reload it into the other drive. So currently we are running 1080p. VSync is off. I do have it set on ultra graphics. The field of view is turned all the way up. It's kind of running on the edge as far as frame rate, but there doesn't seem to be any noticeable slowdowns, and it's running smooth, so I'm going to leave it this way, but there's certainly room to mess around with the settings, or if you're on a higher resolution monitor, to go down on settings and go up on the resolution. But as long as it stays around 35 plus, it really should be fine. And I'm seeing like 35 to 55. So anyway, let's get to the game and see how it runs.
Got her! I'll deal with this cunt! Target's on for size! Eat it, motherfucker!
NCPD! Neutralizing the suspect!
One good shot and we're done!
You are standing in the place of remembrance. Please act respectfully.
Why do I always gotta be the one, huh? Reloading! ¡Órale!
Tenemos un problema.
I give you to Santa Muerte.
¡Órale, pendeja! ¡Quítate de eso! ¡Mi madre es que te vuelves a perder!
Come the fuck out. I'm a fucking die here waiting. Grandpa's gonna find you! For our sisters! For our brothers! I am the head!
¿Qué mierda? Pendeja, ¿qué pinche jueguito es este? ¡Al carajo, órale!
Okay, so a little bit long, but should give everyone a pretty good idea of what kind of performance to expect on something like this. most mid-range systems with a 1080 should give pretty similar performance to this. But so this is the 5820K with the 1080. So hope this gives you guys a pretty good idea of what to expect. And thanks for watching the video.